Hello guys, welcome to FJ Success Channel. If you are new here, make sure you subscribe and hit the notification bell. In this video, I'm going to teach you guys how to start your own very print-on-demand business with Etsy and start making a lot of money. The best part is that everything I'm going to be showing you in this video is all going to be free. You don't need to pay any money to start. It is all free and anybody from any country can do this and get the same results. You can also turn this into your own very online business. A lot of people are already doing this around the world and getting results. As you can see over here, there are tons of designs on this website. All you need to do is to create a simple design and upload it to this website called Etsy. And don't worry guys, at the end of this video, if you watch till the end, I'm going to be showing you 2 ways how to make these same designs for free. And guys, you don't have to worry about the printing and delivery process because these companies will handle both the printing and the delivery process for you. If you don't totally know what I'm talking about, print on demand is an online business where you can sell your own designed t-shirt, hoodies, mugs, stickers, and much more. And the best part is that you don't have to keep an inventory of the product that you sell. Instead, you set up an online store with a print-on-demand production partner and they handle every fulfillment of your orders from printing, packaging, and shipping your product to your customers. You never have to see or even touch the product yourself. They will handle everything for you. Be sure to watch till the end of this video because I am going to take you through the step-by-step process of creating your designs and uploading them to Etsy for free. Before we move on, make sure you subscribe and hit the like button for more videos like this. Now, let's get started. The first step is creating an account with Etsy. Go to your search browser and type Etsy and click search, and then you will see the first link right here. Click on the first link, not the second one. The first link, which is www.etsy.com. This is the one you should use. As you can see at the right hand corner, Etsy is an approved and verified company even by Wikipedia. So guys, this is legit and anybody can use this site and make a ton of money online. So with that being said, click on the first link and you will land on this page, etsy.com. And if you scroll down, you will see a lot of product on sale. So to sign up, you go over here where it says sign in and click here and let it load. As you can see, sign in to continue. You can put in your email address right here, or you can use your Google account or your Facebook account or Apple account to sign in. And once you have put in your email, you click on continue and you will land on a page looking just like this. And you will be welcomed with a welcome to Etsy message over here. As you can see, welcome to Etsy with your name. So the next thing is to click right here where it says shop manager. Right here, click and then you scroll down and you need to fill in your details. Shop language, you choose your language, the one you are comfortable with. And then your shop country, you choose where you are from. And then your shop currency. As you can see, there are a lot of currencies for you to choose from. And then scroll down and over here you see which of these best describe you. Then you will have to choose if selling is your full-time job or if selling is your part-time job but hopes to sell full-time, or you just want to sell part-time or others. And once you are done filling all the information, you come down over to the left down here and click save and continue. And then you will land on this page where you have to name your store or give your store a name. You type in your name, the one you want to use, and click on availability. And if it's available, you come down again and click save and continue. and this is where you create your listings. And the more listings you create and upload, the more chances of discovery you will get on Etsy. And if you watch till the end, I am going to show you 2 ways to create your designs for free and upload them directly to Etsy. And guys, once you are done uploading and creating your listings, the next 2 steps are simple. You just need to put in your payment details on how you will get paid. And the coolest thing is that they accept PayPal, so they can pay you directly to your PayPal account. And the next, you just have to set up your billing details, which is easy and simple. Okay, right now guys, I am going to show you guys how to put together your designs for free. Now, the first website we are going to be using is called canva.com. It's free and you don't have to pay anything for the designs. So the first thing you need to do is to go to canva.com. So go to your search bar and type Canva. And make sure you click the first link on the search, which is www.canva.com. And as you can see at the right hand corner, Canva is also a legit verified company by Wikipedia. So click on the first link and you will land on a page just like this. Then you can click on sign up. And as you can see, get started with Canva. And you can log in using your Google account. You can sign up with your Facebook or your email address. And once you're done signing up, you should land on a page just like this. And all you need to do is to scroll down a bit and you will see a lot of templates. All you need to do is to scroll to the right and look for t-shirts. So you scroll and scroll and scroll. Yes, here it is, t-shirts. So click on t-shirts, wait for it to load, and you will land on this page right here. And right on the left hand side, you will see tons of templates already made and designed for use. Scroll down and you will see a lot of free templates like this one, which says awesome since 2001. You can use this template or edit and download and upload it onto Etsy for free. Or this one right here, which says let's get lost. Or this one, Cordon Auto Repairs. And the fun part is that you can change these designs and customize them the way you want. As you can see, Love Auto Repairs. All you need to do is to get creative with your imagination. As you can see this one right here, Music Never Sleeps. You can change or customize and make it your own design and upload it on Etsy. As you can see, there are a lot of people already making and uploading these designs on Etsy. If you scroll down, there are a lot of free templates for you to choose from. This one says, Art is Life. You can just decide to change and edit the write-up for yourself. If you scroll down again, you will see a lot of free stuff that you can use and start making tons of money online. There are many design templates for you to choose from, guys. You see? Yes. So once you are done editing and customizing your design, you go over on the top right hand side and click on download. And you will scroll down and click on download down here, and it will be downloaded onto your computer system. And then you can take that design directly and upload it onto Etsy. As you can see right here, people are doing this and making tons of money online. All you need is to pick a design and be creative with it and upload it onto Etsy, and they will do all the printing and delivery work for you. Okay guys, the second way to get designs to upload onto Etsy is directly on the Etsy website. Now let's say you want this same kind of design right here, which says but first coffee. Just click on the design and it will open on another tab. So what you will do next is go back to Etsy and in the search bar type in but first coffee. Scroll down and click on but first coffee SVG right here. Let it load and you will see different kinds of designs to choose from. As you can see, but first coffee wedding SVG. And if you scroll down, there are tons of designs for you to choose from at a very affordable rate, like this one right here, first the coffee, then the justice. So there are tons of designs for you to choose from. Another one right here, Coffee is My Life. You can get this design at a very low rate and re-upload it and make tons of money. Another one right here, But First Iced Coffee, selling at a very low rate. And this one right here which says, okay, but first milk. I'm sure this one is for kids. So guys, there are tons of templates for you to choose from at a very low rate. If you want to save yourself the stress of designing through Canva, then you can make use of this. Or you can just take one of these ideas and recreate it on Canva for free and upload and start making money. So guys, that's it for this video. If you miss out on anything, you can watch it over again, and make sure you subscribe and hit the notification bell so you won't miss out on any of our new videos whenever we post a new video on the FJ Success channel. All the important links will be in the description below. Thanks for watching, and I will see you in the next video.